Hey, this is Mark, and some of you new to this channel may never have heard of Cassandra syndrome. That in essence is a condition where in many cases it's the non-autistic wife. By virtue of suffering from emotional deprivation with an ASD husband for so long, she feels like she's not getting her emotional needs met and she's kind of starving to death in that sense. Your emotional needs are every bit as important to your mental and physical health as water, food, shelter, and so on. So I have a book especially for you. It's called Living in the Shadow, Healing from Cassandra Syndrome in an Autistic Marriage. The link will be in the description area and also pinned in the comment section. If you can't find the link, just do a search for Mark Hutton Amazon Books. So that book will be a huge help to you, and I trust that you will trust me and know that I believe that this is going to work for you. So, all right, thank you.